Know what to do to get it out. I don't know where it's at. OMG. Cole, come here.
You see it?
No. I don't know where it's at. Oh, there we go. Oh my god.
Where is it?
Bro, it just peeked out on the refrigerator.
It's on the refrigerator?
Bro, I'm scared it might try to attack me or something.
It's on the refrigerator?
It's on the refrigerator, bro.
Own it?
Own it.
Close the door.
What you mean? No, no, bro, no. You close the door and I'll record.
No. You see it? Huh? Man, come here, close the door.
No, it ain't came yet, it ain't came yet.
Man.
I think it's in the kitchen eating or something.
Man, get it out of here.
I don't know how.
You get it on camera?